How does it taste?
It's delicious.
How does it taste?
It's delicious.
Can I sit here?
Sure, go ahead.
Can I sit here?
Sure, go ahead.
Who is he?
He's my grandfather.
Who is he?
He's my grandfather.
Where does it hurt?
It hurts here.
Where does it hurt?
It hurts here.
What are you doing?
I'm cleaning my room.
What are you doing?
I'm cleaning my room.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love Christmas.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love Christmas.
Do you feel sick?
No, I feel fine.
Do you feel sick?
No, I feel fine.
What is today's date?
It's Monday.
What is today's date?
It's Monday.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.
Why are you laughing?
Because I am happy.
Why are you laughing?
Because I am happy.
What's for dinner?
Noodles tonight.
What's for dinner?
Noodles tonight.
Guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel.